Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dodge in Expedition 33. When in combat, dodging is entirely timing based and cannot be spammed effectively. To dodge successfully, press the dodge button, which is spacebar in PC, or the A button on the Xbox controller, just before an enemy attack connects, rather than reacting too early. Enemy attacks usually have a clear wind-up animation, so learning these patterns is essential. There are also sound cues that will help you with timing these dodges. A successful dodge avoids damage completely, and performing a perfect dodge may grant additional benefits, such as resource recovery when you have Pictos that specialize in dodging mechanics. Since dodging can't be spammed, it's important to use it effectively, especially during extended fights. It's better to practice with dodging mechanics first when it comes to learning new movesets from enemies to have better grasp of their timing in the long run, since most enemies do tend to return back on later adventures with the expedition. And that's how to dodge in Expedition 33.